up and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you guys to be here today. Merry Christmas. This is the first week of December. I'm going to be bringing you guys some amazing videos this month, all Christmas related, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. I'm so excited for this video today. Obviously, we turned ourselves into Martha May Whovier from the Grinch. I had so much fun creating this look, and I really hope to see your guys' recreations on Instagram. Make sure you tag me at ARA_vanity. I would love to see your recreations. And yeah, I think that's it. So let's head on over to the transformation station. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna grab my concealer and I'm just going to put this into all of my highlight points. And we're really gonna focus it right here above the mouth because we wanna get that Whoville look. So we're gonna put a lot of it right there. It's gonna look gross, but you'll be fine. I've already done foundation and brows off camera, in case you couldn't tell, because I naturally wake up with perfect skin and brows. You're welcome. You already do brows off camera. Ooh. Ooh, I'm about to be pale. That's gonna annoy the crap out of me the whole time.
Is it hard you make them nails?
No. I do my contacts with nails. And I'm taking them out like this. That didn't work. You heard that, Angie? So y'all, this takes a while to do all of this. So while I'm doing this, why don't you go down below, press that red button that says SUBSCRBE.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Nope. That is not how you spell that word. We're gonna try that again. SUBSCRIBE. There we go. That's cute. Do that one. You're welcome. That is not how you spell that. Okay, so now that we are done with concealer and we have applied it basically to my whole face and you can't even see it anymore, we're gonna go in with a little bit of powder and we're just gonna set all of those areas. Yes, this is a super white powder, but I'm playing a white woman today, so it's fine. Because white face was not a thing. Yeah, I'll always go in and create a sharp line on the side of my nose with powder, and it will reverse contour. And this will do most of the work for me, and then I barely have to do anything when it comes to actually contouring my nose, because this and then highlighter down the middle will do the job.
Why is that funny to you?
It was the fact that Barry was in the middle of talking about something serious, and you just have. I told you. This is the Catwoman video all over again, just making noise with what I'm wearing. That is fully what this is. I've told you, well, not you, I've told people I plan on dying in a car crash. And it's almost happened multiple times, so subscribe before it happens. So now I'm going to go in with just a light green shade and we're gonna start, there we go. I'm gonna start applying that into the crease.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
There's red on this brush. I hope y'all can hear these two wheezing in the background. So I'm gonna pack on a lot of green. Hopefully this will make the red go away. And we're just gonna pack that into the crease and blend that out. So now I'm gonna go in with a darker shade of green and we're just gonna apply that into the crease as well, just to deepen up that color. I hate green. I literally hate the color green so much. I mean, she was like neutrals the whole movie, but like the look when she's in the look that I'll be in at the end, she's wearing green and a red lip, which so now with a like dark navy blue, I'm actually going to go in and deepen that just a little bit more because it was not dark enough for my liking. Plus I'm trying to get it to be as not green as possible because I hate green. So now with some concealer and just this little silicone whatever, I'm going to go in and we're going to carve out that crease. This is not what this is used for at all. All makeup to me, I'll use eyeliner as lip liner, I use lipstick as eyeshadow. I don't care. It goes on the face. If it gives me the desired shape, I will use it. Oh, thank you. Oh, I didn't tell you what I'm doing. So I'm going in with an angled brush and just that green from earlier, and I'm just going to sharpen up that line before we set that concealer that we put down. So now I'm mixing a little bit of this light green and this yellow shade together to get the color that she wears on her lid, which is like such a specific color. So I'm just mixing these two together and we're just gonna apply that to the lid. It's whenever she's in the interview and she's like talking, she doesn't stop talking and then she just goes, did I have a crush on the Grinch? Why did you ask that? That's not what I asked. Oh. So after I set that concealer with that random shade of green, I'm just going back in. Now with a brush that I dipped into some contact solution. Nope. Now with a brush that I dipped into some contact solution and that green again, we're just going to really sharpen that line. That contact solution and the eyeshadow will almost create like an ink well, and it will make it more of like a gel consistency, which really helps get that straight line. So as I'm doing this, whenever you use this method of using the contact solution, you will get this sort of like wet film over the top of your, what is this called? Pan. You will get like a wet film over the top of the eyeshadow pan, but the moment you go in with a fluffy brush, it's like there's nothing that ever happens. The moment it dries, it's just back to a normal shadow. So you're not ruining the consistency of your shadows or anything. You'll be fine. Water does not work. If you use water, it will literally just sit on top of the eyeshadow and create like these little balls. Like it won't actually sit into the product itself. So that's why contact solution, or if you're nasty, you can use spit. That works too. Please don't do that on a client because ew. Your setting spray will work as well. I completely forget about setting spray. Just anything besides normal water. Normal water just doesn't work, so don't try it. My Instagram is ARA_VANITY vanity, one word. My TikTok is exactly the same. Make sure you go follow me there because you will see these looks before the video gets posted, so you can get a sneak peek of what next week's video will be. On that note, we are done with the top of the eye, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to the lower lash line. We're going to use that same brush that we were just using and that dark emerald green, and we're just going to apply that to the lower lash line. This is where we're gonna kind of differ from the movie version because hers, she doesn't have this. Hers is like a very clean lower lash line, but I'm not doing that. You're welcome. I'm trying to create a new shape with my eyes, and if I don't do that, my eyes will look so weird and it's not cute. And put the green on your lower lash line. That's it. You can go in with that green eyeshadow, and we're gonna go with that light green now, and we're just gonna blend that out and really just smoke out that bottom lash line. Actually, I hate this brush, so I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush from earlier and smoke that out. So now I'm going to go in with that angled brush and a black eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a wing. We're gonna extend that inner corner. I'm gonna speed this up because trying to explain that to y'all, I haven't figured that out yet. You'll be fine, get over it, watch what happens. Okay, so now that I have finished my eyeliner, I'm going to go off camera, apply some mascara and lashes. I'm gonna finish my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went a little bit farther than just my lashes and my eyeliner, but I went ahead and just bronzed up my face, and now I'm just going in with a pinkish orange blush, and I'm just going real heavy on that, just right here on the cheeks, and then obviously a lot on the nose. And we just wanna look nice and like we're about to get frostbite, but like not yet. Cause like frostbite is sexy. So like trying to get that Grinch, trying to get that mayor, get that money, but then like go for my true love type thing, you know? So like you wanna be cold enough, but not turning black yet. Wow, that's problematic. We don't want your skin falling off yet. We'll go with that. That's the vibe, you know? So just apply blush until you feel like that. What other songs are there? Okay. I'm now just going to go in with a red eyeshadow, and I'm going to use that to be my lip liner just because I want it to be more of a matte lip, and I don't want to go in with like a creamy lip liner because that'll just make it all, no thank you. You're welcome. So same thing we did before, contact solution, red eyeshadow. We're gonna go ahead and do my lip liner. Now with my lips today, I'm going to exaggerate my cupid's bow a little bit more to give me that white woman fantasy, you know? This is Christmas, and it's a lot. So now I'm gonna go in with a red lipstick, and we're just going to apply that to the lips. No rhyme or reason, just put it on. Martha could never. I'm now going to go in with a metallic pink in my finger, and I'm just going to apply that. Why am I not using a mirror? To the center of my lips. I need to do highlighter. Let me use this brush. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter to the cheekbones. Just right up here, real. Ooh, I love highlighter. Because the moment this goes on, you can't tell me nothing. Okay, so now that highlighter is done, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to change my hair, my outfit, and everything, and I'll be right back. So let's transform. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you had an amazing time and learned a few tricks and tips today. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I guess that's going to be it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at ARA_vanity. Make sure you go down below and press that red subscribe button spelled SUBSCRIBE. Got it right this time. And yeah, that's it. So till next time, bye.